BellMe understands that for parents, having their children safe is a major concern, especially after recent events, and we would like to give companies the opportunity to put measurements in place. Toilet panic buttons will not only keep you safe in an event of an unlawful violation, but also assist those who fall ill and cannot shout for help. You simply have to have a panic button in each toilet, just like this one. When someone needs assistance, they simply press the button, and an alert gets instantly sent to a receiver, which can be worn by a security guard, the management office, or even reception, and they will instantly know that you need assistance and be at the door within seconds.